Okay, the upright portion of this is done. The only thing left to do now is to put the horizontal pieces that their logs will rest on. I think I'll put some spacer boards, 3 of them across there, to hold those the right length. Although I wouldn't really have to, since the 2x4s will hold them as well. I'll decide on that next time I'm working on this. I almost have it finished. For the horizontal pieces for the saw bucking table, there's 12 pieces, and I've got 16-foot 2x4s, 4 of them here lined up. I'll be cutting the horizontal pieces at 5 foot 3 inches or 63 inches. In case you're interested, the stanchions, the uprights on the sawbuck table are 3 feet apart, and I've inserted spacers at the top to make sure that they're the same all the way across. So we just need to get these 5 foot 3 inch pieces cut, and once we have that done, we can start attaching them. And once they're all attached, there'll be one final step, and I'll show you that, and then we'll be ready to move it out where the logs are. Hope I don't end up regretting this, but I decided to go with a 17-inch overhang on this side. Since it cantilevers that far over, I'm a little concerned that heavy logs could tip the table. I am, however, going to be putting a 3.5-inch board across, so that right away takes 3.5 inches of that 17 away. So the log will sit in over the cantilever, but hopefully I'll make it so we don't cut into the 2x8 when we're bucking. So we'll see how it works. I said that wrong earlier. There's actually 16 cross members on this. I believe I said 12. Now I'm getting ready to install this board along the edge here that will hopefully keep logs from rolling off. I'm going to go ahead and put one on both sides. We'll only be cutting from this side normally, but I think for stability purposes I'll put one on the other side too. Okay, I've got the board that'll hopefully stop logs from rolling off, secured with 2 screws in each member. Now I'm going to cut out the spaces in between here, and that's where we'll do our sawing on 16-inch centers.
Down. That might be pretty close.
Am I flat?
Yeah? I think you're pretty darn close. Perfect. Ah. Up a little.
Did they go to the other side?
Keep coming forward. Okay, you are to the other side now.
I'll lift it.
Yeah?
Yay!
Go Big Red. Or Little Red, I meant.
Knock over the bench.
Oh well. I'll get it. I'll get it. Okay.
Let's try so we can do it like that.
Absolutely. Level, yeah.
It's down the way.
Okay.
The problem is it does forks on stuff. Careful with it.
Okay.
Shred, stop. Just grab it and take it down there. Maybe I will.
Right.
Too heavy.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Yeah.
See if that's
We'll get it. We'll be able to maneuver it.
Well, the gravel will just make it a little more easier.
Yeah.
That'll help get weight off of it. What do you think, Lori?
I like it. I think it'll make everything smooth, less bending, quicker. All the stuff we got to do in the past, measuring and all that stuff. This just makes it happen.
Thanks for watching.